Hey guys, this is going to be a remake video of this unknown ceiling fan in my uncle's master bedroom. It has a light up motor housing. I have no idea what the brand is. I have never ever seen one with the light on with those brackets. This switch, not sure what it does, but it's like a three-way switch. This one does that outlet that the lamps connect to. This switch does the light, that switch does the fan, but I have the fan turned off by the pull chain. There's that light there. That light. Oh, I never seen that the blades have that design on it. That's cool. Wow, I didn't realize that. That's cool. I didn't recognize that in the last video. There's both. Here, okay. Do I have the fan? Okay, let's see. Okay, there's low. I literally have no idea what the brand of this fan is. I've never seen those brackets, but the only other similar brackets I've seen like this is like on the fan, like on a Hunter 1930s original. There's medium. And there's high. It has a bearing noise, like I remember last time. It is flush mounted, but it does blow a lot of air. This could be like an early latex moon glow or something, I'm not sure. I do like that blade design. Here, why don't I do this? Oh yeah, that bearing noise is pretty bad. Why don't I stop the fan, and then I'll give you guys like a top shot of the blades. And maybe there's like another design on there. It's like a floral design. It's really cool. Let me see if you can give me a top shot. Can you see it? I really hope that you can. Put it back to medium. Has a spinner motor in there. It looks like a latex. It really does, so it may be a latex. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.